Let's set up an automation for booking cancellation through WhatsApp in Mercury CX. Start by heading to the Templates section in the Mercury CX dashboard. Then select WhatsApp. Click the Create Template button in the top right corner. If you have multiple WhatsApp accounts connected, you'll be prompted to select the account that should be used to send out WhatsApp messages. Now fill in your basic details like template name, language, and category. In the body of the message, craft your message and make it personal using dynamic variables like customer name, opted service. Now, map each variable to its actual data field. These variables will be automatically replaced with the actual values when the message is sent, ensuring each customer gets a personalized acknowledgement. To make it easy for customers to connect with a representative, click on Add a button and select the Call Phone Number option. Then add the button text like Contact Support and enter the support phone number. Preview your message to check how it'll look to the customer. Once satisfied, click Create Template. Before sending any WhatsApp template, it must be approved by Meta. The approval process usually takes anywhere from 5 minutes to 24 hours. Once the template gets approved, then go to Automations and click on Create Automation. Select Booking Cancelled as the automation type and choose WhatsApp as the channel. If you have more than one number in your WhatsApp account, you'll first need to select the number and then choose the template under that number. Next, pick your approved WhatsApp template and click Create Automation. Want to set up similar booking cancellation automation for your WIX booking? Scan the QR to book a free demo.